Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have ever wanted to create a fun and creative video by layering them together by using the InShot app, I'm going to show you step by step how to combine multiple videos into one awesome collage. So let's get started. Find the InShot app, now open it. Tap onto video option and choose one video that you want to make the collage of. Now to make a collage you need to add more videos. Now tap onto the canvas button and here you can find the ratio option. Tap onto any ratio that you want. Then simply zoom in or zoom out to fit your preference. Just like this. Now go back and add another video to make collage. Here tap onto plus sign button to add a new video. Now choose one video that you want to make collage of. Then do the same like you did for the first video. You can zoom in or zoom out to fit on the picture. Adjust the video however you want to adjust it. And then you can simply add other videos as well. To add next video, simply do the process again just like we did for the previous video. Now after adding all of the videos, you can edit the video clips just like you do to other videos. And after making all the adjustments, tap on to save. And that's it. This is how you layer videos on the InShot app. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.